It's Patty Dugan from Kitchener. I'm sitting here with Brenda McKenzie from Kitchener. Brenda would like to share her story since starting ViSalus products.
Hi, I started taking the ViSalus products about 5 weeks ago. And the reason I decided to do this is because I'm a diabetic and I couldn't keep my glucose numbers down. I was always up anywhere from 10 to 13, and I imagine sometimes higher. And so my doctor wanted to put me on insulin. And I said, before I do this, I'd like to try the products that my daughter introduced me to. It's the ViSalus Shake, which I take 2 times a day, and the ViPaks, which are vitamins, and also I take the MetaboWake. And I found with this I've lost 7 pounds, and my numbers now are anywhere from 5.6. Sometimes the highest I've been so far is a 9. And for me, this is really good. And I'm sure my doctor's going to like the numbers this time.